Look, Builderall is an all-in-one marketing platform, but there are lots of other tools in Builderall that nobody's talking about. I'm about to show you that in this video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, in today's video, I was going to go more in depth of the tools not really talked about that are also included in Builderall outside of the typical website builder, sales funnel builder, autoresponder, etc. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're not new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and hit that like button if you like this video. All right, all that stuff helps me grow my channel, and I'm hoping I'm providing value to you guys and that you enjoy watching my content. All right, so again, if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. Or if you have any questions about this content, please post them below and I will reply. All right, so if you're interested in Builderall, after I get done with this video, there'll be a link in the description for Builderall, and I think it's the very first link in the description. All right, so let's get on with today's video. So Builderall, what does it have to offer? What doesn't it have? I don't think it doesn't have anything. It has everything, which is freaking bonkers, but it does. So like I've said before, you have your sales funnel, you have your website builder. So just for instance, I just clicked on new website, right? If I want to come in here and I want to build a website, I just come in here, I select a category, and I pick one, right? So most of us are going to be doing sales funnels, right? So for instance, let me talk about, maybe I'm a tattoo shop, or maybe you have a buddy that owns a tattoo shop that hasn't yet went out and promoted himself or has a funnel or anything like that, and you're familiar with this platform. After you start using it for about a month, you'll get really familiar with this and you'll be like, hey man, I can host a website for you and set it all up for a small fee of $250 a month. And you start to see, wow, I got a business inside of a business here, right? So you can almost run a business out of Builderall, right? So it's pretty powerful. And guys, even if they didn't want to do that, you could sell them the $49.90 plan, and then they could sell to their other tattoo buddies and use this as a marketing platform. They could just do it themselves on their spare time, build up their site, because this is very easy stuff, right, guys? So there's so much opportunity with this platform. And every time I look at it, I think of something new to use, right? I mean, pool cleaner, chiropractor, cleaning services, electrician, barbershop. I mean, the list goes on and on. So, guys, I'm telling you right now, this stuff is powerful stuff. Say your friend owns a barber shop. Let's check out this real quick, right? So let's see. Very simple. Are you looking for a new cut and stand out in the crowd? Blah blah blah, right? Look, it even has a video for you and everything. All right, it already has something set up for you to start using instantly. It's pretty awesome how cool that their platform is. So, guys, just looking at this, looking at their sales funnels, their local business funnels, it's just nuts. If I just want to build a homepage funnel, they got homepage funnels, everything you can think of, they have. Right? So that's just one piece of Builderall. This is just the smallest piece of Builderall. Not only that, they have a blog builder, they have a responsive site builder, they have a mobile site builder, they have app creator where you can go in and actually build apps for your whatever device that you're trying to build with. I know I keep flipping back and forth on these tabs, and it's screwing up my picture coming through. But anyways, these these things are all pretty awesome, right? It's got an autoresponder. If you come down here and under design, it's got a design studio where you can make very powerful presentations, a photo studio where they give you stock photos and they allow you to actually go in and take their photos and edit them for your own creation, right? So videos, they have, so what that video section is animated videos. So if you ever see like the cartoon character or the writing hand, teaches you how to do all that kind of stuff, right? Apps. Here's a bunch of apps on here. Facebook chatbot. I mean, the Facebook chatbot alone is worth 20 bucks a month in my eyes. You'd log in with your uh, Facebook account. You create a chat. I haven't done this yet, but I'm looking into doing this in the future. I just don't have any reason to do it right now, so I haven't really messed with the Facebook chatbot, but I do know people would have. So let's just go through here. These are the tools that nobody really talks about: the browser notifications, the SEO on page report tool, a click map. So what a click map is, it tells where most of the people come in and actually click on your website. So maybe you have some links on your website, nobody's actually using them, so you could replace them with something else. Chat review, auto post, so it allows you to auto post, a Facebook chatbot, a share locker, e-learning. So this e-learning allows you to build e-learning courses you could sell or you could give to your team or you could give away as free products as lead magnets. And this actually is pretty stellar product. I've actually seen it. I haven't built one out yet, but I plan on doing that in the future also. Again, guys, I just started using Builderall less than 2 weeks ago. So, I mean, it's an amazing product. Script generator. So anybody that doesn't know email copy can use this script generator to help them build out their copy for their emails or social media posts or whatever or even their landing pages or website. Social proof and roulette, right? So these are all apps that are pretty cool. You got special add-ons for this. You got special training. You got a webinar service. I just clicked that. I probably shouldn't have, but it's got a webinar service here. And this webinar is pretty cool. It'll actually allow you to build a webinar. As you see, I've attempted to play with the webinar service, and the webinar is pretty cool. It even has ghost chat in it, so it launches a webinar just like you see any other webinar system. You put it on their website. It's real easy to integrate with the website builder, and you just set it up and you start your you'd make a page where people come in, they log into your training, they sign up for a time, they log in, and at that time the webinar is already pre-recorded. It launches. You got ghost chat people in the background chatting away. It's a powerful system, guys. So there's training that tells you how to actually use it. And I watched that training, that's why I kind of know how it works. They got their own marketplace. They got tutorials and training videos, pretty much out the wazoo. Their their training is really good, really in-depth training and tutorials in this product. So right from the get-go, you can open up your business and be running, right? You can go through the training, and like I said, right now they're running a 90-day challenge where they bring you in, and what they're trying to do is within 90 days get you to the $2,000 a month mark. So they want you to go through a list of steps, and after you make your first 3 sales, you go to the next level, and then then they have an X amount of sales that you need to get to that level, and so on and so forth, and you just keep progressing. All right. So guys, this platform is pretty good. I can't complain about it at all. They already have pre-made money marketing funnels for you that are used to promote this product, and you can use it to promote any product. So as I mentioned in one of my videos, I think it was yesterday or a day before, I posted a video for a marketing platform, affiliate marketing platform for beginners, and I speak about how powerful this is for people beginning in the digital marketing, internet marketing space, and how they can use this platform to learn and grow themselves, and actually use it to start promoting opportunities and products and services in other niches out of this program, right? So you could run over to ClickBank, you could run over to JVZoo, you could sign up for a high ticket affiliate marketing program and use this tool as your tool that you're using to market. You could, and the possibilities are endless. I mean, like I was telling you, you go to your local businesses and sell the service to them. So guys, I hope that this was of value to you, because I know when I first came in here, I looked at videos and a lot of them were just talking about, you know, the simple things like building sales funnels and stuff like that, but they left out all these tools, all these things here that people don't talk about: the e-learning course, the script generator, the Facebook chatbot auto post, the click map, the SEO on page. All those things are very powerful products, just extras in here, right, guys? So it, I can't say enough good things about Builderall. Does it have some clumsiness? It does, but so does any other product. But at $49.90 a month, it'll do everything you need it to and more. And it's an all-in-one package for a digital marketer. All right, guys. So as I said before, if you have not been to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. Or if you have any questions about this comment, please post them below and I will reply. All right. And if you are interested in Builderall, there's a link in the description. I also have a link in the description for a free ebook that I wrote. And I have a link in the description for some free training that you can sign up for. And it's pretty powerful also. It gets you thinking about affiliate marketing. All right. So I hope, my wish to you is that you take immediate action. You sign up for Builderall, you start learning marketing, you get better at marketing, and you have a platform where you can actually promote other stuff. All right, guys, as always, peace out, and I will catch you on the next video.